what it takes to get fresh produce around here. You gotta pick your own fruit. Sweating. Hands are dirty. Someone has to do it. Whew. I'm super dirty. This is what we call the fruits of our labor. So let's see how it tastes. Let's see what we got going on here. It took me about an hour to get this massive bag of oranges, and I gave the owner of the house a bag too. It's the least I can do. They let me pick the oranges.
That's no problem.
That's really good. That's awesome. That's what you call organic. The real organic. It's like kind of black from my dirt. I guess it's good for the body. Change my clothes and go take a shower. So I had to change my shirt. My nails are still a little dirty, and yeah, the tree it's a lot. But I feel a little bit better. I had to wipe my hands off a little bit, but I'm in desperate need of a shower. So stay tuned for what I'm about to do with these oranges. I'm headed back home from a day of fruit picking. Just need me a good shower. So here's our chia seed orange juice. I like to drink this first thing in the morning. I get my vitamin C from the oranges and my fiber from the chia seeds. It helps with the digestion. Give it a taste. Try to make this part of your everyday routine.